What up YouTube, this is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another unboxing video. And I bought a couple of camera accessories for my camera. They're both going to be in their own video, but this is basically going to be an unboxing for this. It's called the Vijim. It's a VL81 bicolor fill light. I know some YouTubers use these when they're in a more darker locations to do filming. I haven't needed it too much until more recently. I think I'm going to need it, so I decided to get one. Now, I bought this off Amazon. I will put the link below, and I can tell you how much this was. Just give me a second. This was only $19.95 for this one. There's different ones, but this is the one I got. Let's do an unboxing then. I'm going to do a test with this. I probably will put it in this video too. I may put it alone, I don't know. We'll see, but here it is. Very simple little box. Here's, take out the silica packet. Then there's a little qualified certificate. Upon inspection, test this product is qualified. Little sticker thing, a little card actually. There's not much to the unboxing. First, let's take out the light. Comes in this wrap. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be, but not too heavy. This is basically going to go on my Canon G7X Mark II. I know some say it's more of an out-of-date camera, but it's still a good camera. Plus, I can't really afford a new one at the moment. Very simple. This basically turns it on, I guess, but I'll go through that in a little bit. Then it comes with this. Now, I'm pretty sure it has an internal battery. Here's the directions for it. Hopefully you could read that. I can go over this. This gives you notes on cleaning, precautions when to charge it. Make sure it's dry. It says when using battery other than the original, but I don't see where that is. I'm pretty sure basically you just plug this into the wall and it charges, but I'll look into that more. But I'm going to do some, like I said, some testing with this and let you know. But I'm glad I got this. I do know some other YouTubers who uses a light on these things on the camera, and there was times when I needed it, but I didn't do it. So I definitely want to have it now. And like I said, if you don't want to buy this one, there are others, but it had pretty good reviews from when I looked. So really that is it for the unboxing. The only thing is, since it comes with the charging cable, it does not have where you would plug into an outlet. If you plug into the outlet, I mean, you could plug this into like your computer and charge it, but get those, you know, you can pick them up at like Walmart or something. Okay, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this. So I'm going to do some testing with it. I more than likely will put it at the end of this video and you can watch that. Any comments, questions, let me know and I'll give a review too. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye everybody, bye. Alright, I just want to film a part putting the camera on, onto the camera, or putting the light onto the camera. I won't be able to use it right now as I got to charge it and all that stuff. At least show you how simple it is. Now I already added this bottom piece came separate. It was a separate purchase on Amazon. Basically, it's like a bottom bracket that you attach the handle to and the camera, and it allows you to put the attach the light to the side right here. So let me show you this on camera how simple it is. Now, if you want to see information about this bottom bracket part, I'll put the link to my video below, and you can see how everything went with that, and that And that video also will have a link to the Amazon link if you want to buy it. It's very simple. See right here? Now it does have a screw that I could screw into something, but I won't need it for this. Because here it goes. You see, you slip this square part into there. Like right here. There you go. And then there's this wheel here. You just tighten it like that. Easy peasy. There it goes. Looks pretty cool, I think. I wish I would have got this sooner. But there, add some light if you need to film when there's not that much light. I'm going to charge this, wait till it gets night, and then I will film some with this and show you how it goes. I know there's different intensity, you know what I mean. With the light, you can make it brighter or less. If you want all the, like I said, more information about it, I'll put the Amazon link below. That gives you like the lumens and everything that it comes with. I think it was like 850 or something like that. But yeah, I'll show you how it looks in the back. Awesome. All right. Any comments, questions, let me know. But now it's time to get on to the actual charging and test another thing. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Let's get on to the next part. Actually, I just was messing with it, and I turned it on, and it actually does have a partial charge. So I can show you what the light looks like during the day, then I'll show you it during the night. But here, let me turn it on. Kind of a little awkward doing it with this thing. I think that's the full light. Then I can go from like a yellow light to like a brighter, whiter light. It's on like the white one now. Then I think that's more of the yellow. That's more of the yellow, I think, yeah. Kind of hard to tell with it being light out. Doesn't have too much of a charge. There's these 4 lights. Little red lights right there. They're all right here, and they're like all red. So it's just basically a partial charge. Probably test it as soon as you get it. I think that's the whiter light. A little awkward doing this way. I think most will have it on top, but this kind of camera, it would be better to have it there. But that's it. I guess I'm gonna charge it more and try it for you at night. But I'm quite excited. All right. Okay, it is nighttime, and I want to try practicing with this. Here it goes. That's the lowest intensity, and I turn it up all the way. I think this is the white light. Now I'm going to change it. You can shift it to like yellow. Here it goes. See, it is getting yellower. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see about how this. I'm going to flip it to white at the full intensity. And then see about turning it down. Gonna have to get a little used to doing this. Okay, now I'm making it less brighter. Okay, that's the lowest brightness it goes on the white. Let's turn it to the yellow. Ooh, okay. See, it definitely changes on the screen. Look at that. When it goes from the yellow to white at a certain level. Not too bad. You have to fiddle with this a little bit more. But even at the lowest, for the yellow, it shows me pretty good. Then it switches to the white. Kind of gives you a little bit of almost a bluish appearance. Yeah, this is going to work pretty good. And this camera transitions pretty well when the change in the light doesn't get too blurry or nothing. So yeah, okay. Just want to do a little demonstration with this. As usual, any comments or questions, let me know. Put them below. And you want to buy this, I will put the Amazon link below. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Just wanted to show some farther weight distances. I decided, I'm going to add this to it because I did like close-up and everything looks really clear. Let's turn down the intensity. This is the white light. Okay, that's as low as it goes. And even with it as low as it goes, it's not really blurry or nothing. Now let's change it to the yellow light. Kind of dimming it. Yeah, even at the lowest, there, now it's switched to the yellow. Even the lowest in the white, it definitely looks pretty good. Here's the lowest in the yellow. Let's bring it up in intensity. Yeah, it doesn't really get blurry or nothing. I'm very impressed. Okay, I just wanted to show that. I think I like the white light better, but they're both really good. Alright, I just wanted to add that. I promise I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. Bye.